getting these young professionals going is just like anything, even with new professors in the United States. We have to shelter them a bit. We have to give them the opportunity to think and to read and to publish and to start new lines of inquiry and experimentation in order that they get off to a good start in their careers. We need to provide them with opportunities to meet people, see their peers, put a face on that person's name that they've heard about or the papers that they've read. And it's the same way in investing with our collaborators in across the world. They have been given state-of-the-art training to enable them to take that next step where they are transitioning from being a student to a junior professional, and then from a junior professional to a very powerful and constructive mid-career professional.
I'm still developing my communication skills, but definitely being able to talk to a large audience wasn't really something that I was comfortable doing, but I was given the opportunity to present at conferences where I wouldn't have been able to do that before. So that has really helped me during the process, and this was possible because I went through this program, the SMIL, having this professor that believed in me and said, okay, you can do this. Yes, in general we see that it's mostly the PIs, the professors that do the talk when you go to conferences, but we were given the opportunity as students, myself and others in our team, to present our own findings in collaboration with these professors. So that has been really beneficial to me right now. And it helped me today to be able to talk to audiences, even if I still stumble a little bit. Yeah.
So I gained a lot of extra skills in during my PhD. So being part of members of clubs within our department, so plant breeding and genetics clubs or graduate students clubs, those are more like building a relationship with students and also learning leadership by helping. So for instance, if I come to Niger, it may not be the same. So we don't have similar programs like this, for instance, clubs. So it helped me. I didn't know it before, but coming in the US, I know like the reality of creating those clubs, and it will be much easier to get students connected with other professors within the same area. And then for the leadership, I got the chance to work for the graduate leadership program also at Kansas State University Saleh School of Leadership.
It's the local capacity development efforts that SMIL does, and then the engagement with stakeholders to make sure that information is being shared. So I really appreciate that SMIL is pairing American expertise and ingenuity with the best and brightest globally and training students in developing countries and the US. By doing that, we're ensuring that the next generation of food systems leaders are equipped and empowered to address food security challenges that we know are coming tomorrow as well. So I think that's one of the most inspiring things about the program is we're not only seeing results today, but we're building for better systems in the future.
Words can't express how happy I am that I luckily took part in this SMIL program. My PhD work was funded by this SMIL program externally. I am a postdoctoral fellow right now, courtesy of USAID. So I am really happy about it. I don't know how else to. I am happy. I appreciate this, honestly. And then in particular, I am also happy that the farmers in Niger are also happy, at least with what we do. Yeah. I know that their prayers are with us. Let me say it the way we say it back home. Their prayers are with us, and their prayers are also with the staff of USAID. All the good wishes, the things they say good about us. when it comes to Barcelona. So I really appreciate SMIL. I really appreciate USAID. Yeah, I will always reference them because in the future, I wouldn't say anything about how I got the training of the things I will apply without referencing the source. Just like a tree, saying something and the maybe shoots without saying something about its roots. So I really thank SMIL. I really thank the coordinators of SMIL.
So the SMIL and USAID program did help me a lot because without that, my grad training wouldn't be possible. And the support was tremendous in terms of providing me all the costs for the research through the Sargent or the SMIL project. So I got to do all my end based on the supports provided by USAID through the SMIL project. So it was very, very useful, and I don't think without that I wouldn't be here doing continuing research. So I was lucky to get that and to be involved.
Who's contributing to science and development problems in their specific countries and allowing them to do it autonomously. They're calling the shots is the ultimate goal. And so how do we do this? Well, there's a lot of different strategies and a lot of different ways we could go. Mentorships have found to be very important. Having that professor that you can call up and say, I'm stuck. What's going on here? What am I missing? Giving them the opportunities to present their research and get feedback and find others who may be working along the same lines is really important. Giving them the soft skills to go out and write a proposal that is funded puts them in the driver's seat, and they create their own destiny. Getting those papers to those journals, getting them published is critical for establishing your street credibility in our field. And so this is an essential step in order to creating a strong and vibrant next generation of scientists that will drive research, development, and progress forward in these crops.